Hello everyone, it's Angel here. So let's talk about feeling good. You know, sometimes we wake up feeling sluggish, bloated, and like our bodies are simply not just bodying. Don't worry, we've all been there. Lucky for you guys, I have found something that makes me feel lighter and energizes me, which is this Debloat Me Detox Nighttime Tea. It is packed with natural ingredients that support my digestive health, and also it tastes just great. Now, when it comes to managing portions, this weight loss coffee is my kryptonite. It helps me feel satisfied without overeating. And honestly, who doesn't love a delicious cup of coffee? Focus on feeling good, making healthy choices that fit your lifestyle, and celebrating your progress no matter how small they are. And while I haven't personally tried these weight loss capsules yet, they are designed to support healthy weight management alongside exercising and a good diet. Because let's face it, lasting results come from sustainable choices and not quick fixes. Embrace the journey to a healthier, happier you with Getfit. Mwah. No bars.